On the Dieta app, we give IBS patients treatment recommendations. These self-experiments are lifestyle changes, diets, supplements, or medications that a patient can try for the purpose of understanding if they improve symptoms. Upon initially creating an account, a patient fills out a short questionnaire that was designed by gastroenterologists and dietitians to collect enough information about the patient's health to get started with treatment. With this information, self-experiments are either chosen by a provider or self-selected by the patient. During the self-experiment, patients answer 2 simple questions every day in a matter of seconds: how they feel with one simple action, and if they followed the self-experiment with one simple action. If they have any questions, they can easily ping a care team member within the app. Here, a patient and a provider can talk about this self-experiment or any other questions or logistics around their care. Once they're at the end of their experiment, they mark how they believe the experiment affected their symptoms and complete the self-experiment. On the Dieta portal, which is the provider side, a care team member can review any historical information that the patient has marked. They then select a self-experiment from the recommendations for that patient. Here, they can remotely monitor the experiment, check their compliance, and reach out, if necessary, all in one spot.